Today we are going to see how to install Anaconda package. First let us go to the Anaconda site. Just click the www.anaconda.com. Anaconda is a composite IDE which could be used for developing Python and related applications. You can see the screen. It is a website, Anaconda, and you can use individual edition that can be freely available, which is called Anaconda individual editions. Especially if you want to have it for Windows 64-bit installer, just you can go download. It will give the name. If you specify the folder, then automatically download started. Here you can see download is started. You can keep on downloading it till it finishes. Now the Anaconda has been downloaded. Just right click it and run as administrator. Now it will ask for permission. You give yes. Now it started loading the necessary files. Now you can start the simple setup procedure. Click next and you say agree, and either you can use it for your login only or for entire users. Then you can start installing the procedure, and you can specify the locations where you want to set up the Anaconda. If you want to change, then you can give some different folders of your choice, and you can create a new folder in your particular directory. For example, Anaconda, and then you can click OK and proceed further. Here you can leave these options because we can set up a path sometimes later, and you can register this Python with already available Python 3.8 in our systems, or if you want to install fresh, that you can straight away start install the procedures. When you click it, automatically it will install all the necessary files. Already I have installed it in my system, so I'm not going to install further. You can start clicking the install button, and the rest, it will take some time to install your Anaconda package, and then it will say that finally Anaconda is installed. This is very simple procedures. You can easily do the procedures within few minutes. Now we will see after installing the Anaconda how we can use it. In the box, you type just Anaconda, you will get the Anaconda Navigator. Just click the Anaconda Navigator, then a composite window will be created for using different applications of Anaconda. You can see the screen, and the Anaconda logo is coming, and it will take some time to set up the window. Just wait, a window will pop up. Now you can see the Anaconda Navigator, the main window of the package. Here you can see lot of applications are there in the Anaconda package. For example, the first application is cmd.exe prompt. Here you can use this for any command line processing, and this is one data lore package. This is an online data analysis tool with smart coding assistance. This is another application called IBM Watson Studio Cloud. It is used for visualization of data or visual modeling. This is one of the very familiar Jupyter notebook for interactive computing, and this is Jupyter Lab, and another one is Jupyter Notebook. And this is PowerShell prompt, where you can use command line based processing. And this is one of the GUI packages, that is Qt console, which will be used for graphical applications. And this application is very, very, very important. Is a famous IDE called Spider, which we can use it for developing powerful Python applications. And this one is BlueBits. This is data visualization package. This is Orange 3, another data analysis package. This is another one of familiar IDE called PyCharm, extensively used in Python programming. This is one more package called RStudio, which deals with R programming language. All these things we can use it within this window. I will show how we can use the Spider IDE. Just click launch. Then automatically the IDE will be started. You wait for some time, and Spider IDE will be the IDE window will be coming to the screen. You can see the Spider window is popping up, but it will take some time for loading the IDE. Now this is an Spider IDE, and you can write Python coding, and lot of facilities are there in this IDE, and you can execute it. So one of the very important applications of Anaconda is Spider IDE. The Spider IDE would be used for developing Python applications. In another video, we'll see how we can use this Spider IDE and what are the facilities involved in the Spider IDE. Till then, goodbye to all of you. Thank you.